guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going through, I wanted to show you guys my truly trashy Taffy journal. So this journal is literally, it's all trash. It's all garbage. It's all stuff that most people would have thrown away. And I got this idea a couple of years ago. I had seen a couple other creators. Unfortunately, I don't know who it was that I saw, but created one, and I thought it was a great idea. I am a big fan of recycling, reusing, all that, upcycling, all that stuff, thrifting. So I thought I would make my own trash journal. So first off, this box, it clearly was a Myrtle Beach taffy, saltwater taffy box. And I loved it. I love the colors, I love the palm trees, I love the flowiness of it. So I knew I wanted to use it as soon as my husband came home with it. And this is how I did it. Okay, so let me sit down here for a second. Okay. Oops. So right off the bat, I made a pocket. I used a lot of this because it's actually really durable. It's just candy wrapper, but you'll see this throughout. And then here I have different fruit stickers. No idea what that's from. This is just from the grocery store. And then I have tags. Lots and lots of tags. It's cute. I have both my husband and my younger daughter save tags for me for this reason. This is from the dentist. We're all familiar with our little goodie bag from the dentist. So a lot of these things, such as this, I liked to keep because it has the prices on it. So it doesn't have the date. I actually maybe might put the date, but I feel like this type of journal acts like a time capsule, because imagine seeing this, 30 years from now with everything that's probably going to be all AI and just very digital. I feel like this is like a snapshot of life right now. And this is just a little tag from Starbucks. But yeah, I loved how it has the prices, because who knows what prices are going to be even 5-10 years from now for something like a ribbon. Yeah, $12.99 for ribbon at Michael's in Canada. Love that for us. This is just some more tags that I thought would make a cool dangle. This is from a nectarine box from last summer. And then I put a few more tags. This is from Winners. For my Americans, that's our TJ Maxx. Looks like H&M, some tea tag things. I used I think I used quite a bit of candies as tags. This was from an art show I went to. Ooh, this is the backing of, what is it called? The clear sticky film stuff that you put on to preserve it. I can't think of it right now. How cute is this packaging? Let me make sure I'm in frame, because I just got this from the dollar store, and I thought that I might even make this a tag. I'm not gonna lie, and put it in another journal. I just thought it was really cute, and so now I put it in here. And a lot of the things I put in here with staples, because I felt like it went well with it. Some Halloween packaging I thought was really cute. This is like a mushroom coffee I used to get, and I really liked putting everyday magic on the map. I just really liked their packaging. Some more fruit stickers. I put these tags because they're just so pretty together on a brad so that they're movable. I even kept the little plastic bit there too. This was from a birthday card, and this was from some type of packaging. This was from flowers. It was wrapped around flowers. Some more Puma. My husband is a big Puma fan, so you'll see a lot of Puma in here. This, I love this. I save these now all the time. It's just an onion bag, just an onion bag, but the texture is awesome and it's actually really durable. So, little tip: keep your onion bags if they come like this. Of course, we have McDonald's. This is from, oh yeah, and the pages themselves are all garbage too. So I didn't really go through that with you, but most of the pages are just old paper bags. This page is, I believe it was in a came in a shoe box when I bought shoes. This is just dollar store plastic packaging. McDonald's, a little Lego thing that can be a tuck spot. Just haven't put anything in there. Believe this is from a cereal box. Baking soda tip out thing. I literally use baking soda for everything. I use it for my teeth. I use it to clean my bathtub. For my stove. I literally use it for everything. It's like magic in a box. This is soap I liked from a local soap maker that I get from the farmers markets in the summer. This is packaging from phone case. And this is more of like the time capsule, like $3.99. This is actually a great price for a gold pen from Home Sense, aka TJ Maxx again, or Marshalls, I guess you could say. But we have a Marshalls here in Canada. Anyways, and then this is from, I just liked the 555. This is from granola bar packaging. This is just the back, I think, of a paper pad or something that I thrifted. This is a ticket. Okay, I unintentionally hoard these when I get flowers. It always comes with this, and then I only use like a little bit of the packet usually, and so I kind of roll it up and save it. And then let's say I get another bouquet of flowers. I actually, it sounds like I get a lot of flowers. I don't, but somehow I accumulate these. So I figured I'll put one in here. That way I know where it is if I ever need one, and it adds some nice kind of texture to the journal. This is more packaging. I love this stuff. Ginger turmeric doses. They're just like ginger shots, turmeric shots. This is a Canada, if you know, you know, junk mail, I'm gonna call it. Some more candy wrappers. These are tickets from an event. This is from my dog groomer. And this is from a store that I really love, from the town I used to live in. Some more stickers. This is just the Joker from I think we got this pack of cards for free because it was one of their like publicity things, and I really liked it. Okay, so butter packages. I'm obsessed. I love these. I'm not a hoarder, I swear, guys. I'm very organized and whatnot, but butter wrappers, I just love the crinkliness of them. I love the measurements and how it looks. Sometimes the writing is black, blue, red, so I almost always keep these. I find they make a great background. I've had them in a couple other of my journals, so yeah, just some thought next time that you have butter wrappers hanging around or you're done with your butter. just give it a good wash with some soap and you have a little background. This is some tags that I made into a tab. This was from, I do markets for my journals, and this was one of the first signs I did that was on my table to let people know what I accept as payment. And I must have glued that over this, which was another soap that I like. Some more packaging, food packaging. These are really good. I love all the colors. I just think it's really cute. Once again, there's a date on it, which I love. No idea what it says. More packaging. Let's see. This is the other side. So I'm sure a lot of you guys have this. This is like background cardboard from Temu. Probably stickers. And then we got this, good with every bite, which I thought would look cute in the little window. This is the sticker to the ginger turmeric that I like. A Phillips. These are bulbs that I use. I have these boxes often because these are bulbs that I use for my salt lamps. I have like 5 salt lamps. This was from our town's like recycling schedule. We always get a little magazine pamphlet thing to tell us the schedule of the garbage and the recycling every week, every month. And I thought once again that would be cool to look back at many years from now. This is from coffee that my daughter got me. How amazing, right? I believe this is a cafe in Montreal. Some more Puma. This is just the other side of the onion bag. It's a tea, labradorite. This is my favorite crystal. I actually have the necklace on right now, but can't show you just yet. This is a good tea. It's okay. I find it sounds better than how it actually tastes. This fell out. I don't really know where that was, but it can go anywhere. Another ribbon. Dollar store, much cheaper. This is from a pineapple. I loved how it was bee themed. Some more candy packaging. This is cute. I kind of used this as a closure for the best chips ever, in my opinion, Cape Cod potato. So Cape Cod potato chips are a little nostalgic for me because I grew up in Massachusetts and we would go to the beach quite often in the summer. And we would always get Cape Cod potato chips. So being in Canada, that feels like a little piece of home. Vital Proteins. It's just collagen powder that I use. I love this stuff. I don't know if you guys have tried it. I'm not a big soda fan. I don't drink Coke, Pepsi. So it's just too sweet for me. But this Thirsty Buddha soda is actually super good. It is sweet, but it's sweetened with, I think it's chicory root or something like that. It's worth a try. Yeah, 2 grams of sugar. It's worth a try even if you like soda, because it tastes so, like the root beer tastes like actual root beer. So yeah, not sponsored. This is a Chimes Ginger Chews. I've always loved their packaging. I also love ginger chews, so I definitely put, look at that. It's so detailed. I love that. 7-grain salad. This is a Value Village bag. This is from some packaging. Another part of the nectarine box. I kind of hung on to this for a while because I thought of so many ideas. Like I could stick like a little pieces of paper in here or something, but I never used it and I held on to it for like a year and a half. So I finally put it in here. This was an order my daughter got, obviously from somewhere. And I loved this robin egg blue. I thought this was the prettiest receipt I've ever seen, so I kept it. And this looks like it was a paper from, I think it was DeSaris, the art company here. Some more of the recycling. Am I in frame here? Yeah. I just thought this was fitting. Keep these products out of landfills, and it tells you the paint, pesticides, solvents, fertilizer, but I just figured all this whole journal is something we could keep out of the environment, right? Dunkin's, once again, nostalgic. Paint. I did paint an accent wall in my living room this color. It was beautiful, but I have since painted it black. Some more tags. This I kept because I was like, oh yeah, cool. Like I'll know pricing. But I was not paying attention clearly because nowhere on this flyer are there prices. It just tells me that this is 20% off, this is whatever percent off, 15% off, but it doesn't actually tell you the prices, which, well, I was a little disappointed when I realized that. Some junk mail. I just liked the lines of this pack. I think this was from McDonald's bag as well. And then I didn't do much back here. I guess I have a few more pages to fill. That's another thing. With a journal like this, it's literally trash. So you can continuously add to it, which I plan on doing. This is just the back. I like that it had the price, and I like that it has like a Best Buy date. This is just from Band-Aid. Hummus package. And I just thought that this was really pretty. This came obviously from my scissors. And this I might as well just put in here as well because I don't know where else it came from. And that's that. So that is my truly trashy taffy journal. I would love if you guys, being that it's Earth Month, well, Earth Day this month, April, see if you guys kind of make a challenge out of it and see if you guys can collect as much trash as you can and make art out of it, because it truly can be art and it's a good way to journal and spend your time. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have an awesome day. Bye.